Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint these Phalaenopsis orchids with Chinese watercolor. Let's get started. These two beautiful Japanese Phalaenopsis orchids are my best buy in spring. The longer one will have 25 flowers in one string. But these particular shades of pinkish white is hard to achieve with the traditional color that I have on hand. So I'm going to paint it with the different shades of color. For this painting, I've got this new color that I'm going to try. This is a deep red Chinese color block, but I don't think that this is natural color. It's from the same brand that I've always used. So let's take a look. So the packing is the same. There is another small plastic box inside containing some color blocks. So I'm gonna get some out. We don't really need a lot of them, and I just want to see what the colors is like to come out. And just as I said before in my other videos about the use of traditional Chinese color, you just dip some water on it and wait a little bit for the color to come out. See, the color comes out really fast, and so I'm gonna see what it looks like. Yep, deep red. So I'm gonna compare with the China red that I've always used and paint it on a piece of paper so that we can see what the differences are. So this is the China red, or the prime red color. And then now I'm gonna try the deep red. See, this is a lot deeper. I think this color looks very similar to the crimson red that I used in my last painting, and I'm gonna mix it with the blue and see if I get the purple color that I want. I think it works. So let's start painting. Because of this pink color of the Phalaenopsis orchid, I'm gonna make it a little bit of purple color. So I need some blue to mix with the deep red to get the purple. And then at the tip of the brush, then I get some deep red to create the shades. I'll start with the two big petals of the orchid, followed by three other smaller ones. So for this painting, I'm going to paint three as a cluster, and then the rest will be smaller ones and the flower buds. The flower buds and the main stem will be in green color with a touch of red. I like the green to be darker to go with the color of the orchids, which are also dark purple reddish. I have bought another species of orchids in different color this year, and I'm going to paint that next time. So stay tuned if you are interested in seeing more demonstration. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out the next updates. The Japanese orchids are always very nice with one long strand of flowers. In real life, I think it's a matter of blooming because I have regrown orchids from the last year. There are always some branches, so I'm painting a small branch here. For the big leaves, I'm gonna use a large brush with ink to paint. I'm going to use just the deep red for the lips and then some yellow for the throat. In the wild, Phalaenopsis orchids grow on trees. They don't need soil, so I'm going to add a bird on this painting. because these flowers are the hero, so the birds will be more subtle, so I'm going to use just brown color. It's a mix of the orange and a bit of ink for the most part. But for the belly, I like to have a bit of color, so I get some yellow and dip some orange and red as a touch of color. And then the eyes. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.